Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be learning how to solve addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions in a very easy and a simple way. This method will save a lot of time while solving your problems. Okay, let's start. First we will start with addition of fractions. Okay, addition of fractions. We'll take one number 5 by 3 plus 4 by 7. Okay, this is the problem. So how to do addition of fractions is, first you have to do cross multiplication. 5 sevens are 5 sevens are is 35, right? 35 plus, now like this, 3 fours are 3 fours are is 12. Now multiply the denominators. 3 sevens are is 21. What is the answer? 35 plus 12 is 47 by 21. That's it. Understood? First you have to do cross multiplication, then add the both, then multiply the denominator. That's it. This is the way of doing addition of fractions. Next we will do subtraction of fractions. Now let's do subtraction. We'll take one problem. 8 by 2 minus 3 by 7. How we did in addition, like that only. First do cross multiplication. 8 sevens is 56 minus 2 threes is 6 by, now multiply the denominators. 2 sevens is 14. Now 56 minus 6 is 50 by 14. That's it. This is the way of doing subtraction of fractions. Next we will do multiplication of fractions. Now let's do multiplication. We will take one number 7 by 5 into 8 by 3. This is very easy. Just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 7 8s is 56. 5 3s is 15. That's it. Just multiply the numerators. 7 8s and 56. 5 3s is 15. That's it. This is the answer. 7 by 5 into 8 by 3 is 56 by 15. Now next we will do division of fractions. Now division of fractions. Let us take one number. 4 by 7 divided by 2 by 5. This one you see carefully. What you have to do is, now do cross multiply. 4 5 is 20, right? Write it in numerator place. 4 5 is 20. This becomes a numerator. Now like this. Now write it in denominator. 7 2s is 14, right? 14. Like this. Write it in the numerator. Like this. Cross multiplication. Write it in the denominator place. So 4 by 7 divided by 2 by 5 is 20 by 14. That's it. This is the way of doing division of fractions. I think you all understood how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions in this method. This is a very easy and a time saving method. I hope you all understood